The use of fire is the starting point of human civilization. The development of ice is another shining for the wisdom of human civilization. Under modern civilization, people's demand and use of ice are becoming more and more widespread, and the ice-making industry has emerged as the times require. Guangzhou Koller Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited was founded in 2010 and is located in Guangzhou, the third largest city in China. The factory is in Dongchang Town, Nansha District. It covers an area of 30,000 square meters. It has one office building and 5 national standard level production workshops, and currently has more than 200 employees. Its production scale is in the forefront of the industry. Koller has a professional research development team, including 8 core members who have more than 20 years experience in refrigeration area, and they have made a lot of great achievements. Koller obtained 8 national invention patents and 49 national utility patents. Koller adopts modernized management mode, using advanced processing machines and high-precision CNC equipment for ice machine production, which makes our ice machines always in the leading position in the product quality, core technology, and innovative design. In 2018, Koller Bahrain branch and Koller Indonesia branch were established, which expands our business scope in the whole world. Koller ice machines are exported to more than 150 countries and areas and are favored by worldwide customers. Direct cooling ice block machine, small space occupied, fast ice making speed, high refrigeration efficiency, ice block is clean and sanitary. Ice cube machine, high ice production, low power consumption, automatic operation, stable performance. Ice cube is transparent, sanitary, and with high hardness. Flake ice machine, stable performance, flake ice is dry, pure, and powderless. Tube ice machine, easy to operate, high efficiency and low failure. We have different tube ice diameter sizes for choice, and solid tube ice is also available. Direct cooling transparent ice block machine. Ice block is clear and edible. Plate ice machine. Plate ice is clean and edible, and its thickness is adjustable between 5 mm and 30 mm. Slurry ice machine. Slurry ice particles are tiny, can perfectly protect the cooling objects. Koller has a 7x24 hours professional after-sale service team. They always insist on advantages of quick reaction, accurate judgment, and professional solution, solving problems for customers online, which have won high appreciation from our customers. Make all effort for what is happening now and focus on long-term future development. Koller is always pursuing superiority with you.